This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
YouTube.
Yeah, talking shit, boy, cut it out. Plug came in, we bought a lot. 100 P's up in the spot, them foreigns parked in front of the lot. Ask around, been get it in. Hella lows, we get them in. I don't even trust my kin, so I don't got too many friends. Lot of
YouTube, what do, man? It's your boy GlobalRellTV. And tonight, I got another late night POV job for you guys tonight. We do have a special guest joining us tonight. Without further ado, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gone.
What are we driving?
Alright, man. What car y'all like in today's late night POV drive? Y'all comment down below. Without further ado, we about to gas up. We about to gas up right now for y'all. Then we finna.
Oh, I ain't gonna lie, I'm ready for this.
Get y'all some driving action on the road. It is 2 a.m. right now, man. The grind don't stop. It's 2 a.m. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm telling y'all, we gone. Better go gas up, man. Is this shit open?
They ain't cut me. Yes, they did. They must have cut me.
Damn, that shit closed. That shit closed. Yeah. Well, alright, let's gas up, man. Alright, we about to gas up. This shit is $3.83 for premium. Luckily, I got a little money on my Apple Wallet.
Come on, I'm broke, baby. I ain't got no money. Bullshit. I see you shining, nigga. I can smell a motherfucker with money.
Go ahead and get that up out the way.
Getting money, the only thing that be up on my mental. They like I rap about my life up on these instrumentals. Can't wait till I get me a bag of Johnny Damn my dinner.
Damn, man. Fucking $61. Fuck a V8.
Getting money from the winner, the last into next winter.
Both cars are filled up, as you guys can see. He did not need that much gas.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Lil Takeoff here. We finna be cutting up through traffic at 2 a.m. We got the Scat and the SS back to back.
Perfect.
Yes, excellent.
Like he said, it's 216 right now, guys. This is no joke. I think the top speed is like, we could look it up. All right, let's see. Top speed, Camaro, 165. Yes, sir. What top speed for the Scat? 160 something too?
I see some videos be like, some people be hitting top speed at like 179.
God damn. Yeah, cause my homeboy, he hit 160 something in his Scat already. God damn, 175 top speed for the Scat, bruh. God damn, bruh.
The highest I went was 123. 124 right now.
We could use that against him.
All right, man. Shit, you ready, bruh?
Yeah.
All right, you ready? I'm ready. I'm gonna fire this shit up. I ain't gonna lie, that shit do sound nice though. You on some raps, my boy? Smart. Damn. That shit loud. All right, guys, let's start this POV drive. right now. That's why I don't want to just take off on them like that. But we're going to have some fun tonight. Quick little POV drive action for you guys. Nothing too crazy. Let's get some downshifts. Widebody does look nice. That sounds nice, bruh. Barking, man. Man, that thing is loud. I love these V8 engines, man. And look at the moon out tonight, guys. If you guys can see that moon, comment down below. This thing gets up to speed so quick, and it just sounds amazing, man. Man, this thing is nice. Huh? You fast with it. That shit is so loud with the freaking windows down. Oh my gosh. Best time to drive at nighttime, guys. You guys hear that? You guys hear that? Those downshifts. Love those downshifts. crazy.
Kelly got that motherfucking truck. What you do, man? We finna go get you. Oh, yes, sir.
Damn. God damn. These bitches was toys for real, man. Get some film for you guys. He going crazy. He going crazy right now. That boy Lee, man. Let's go. Hey man, shout out to Lee, man. Anytime I hit Lee or my other friend Gene up, man, these guys are always down to do a video with me, man. So special shout out to Lee, special shout out to Gene. Man, if y'all haven't already, subscribe to Lee's channel, man. I'll put that down in the description down below.
Lock his ass up. You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
Give y'all a little action right there, man. You know that's what y'all been waiting for. Shit don't stop, man. Let's go. Let me know what you guys like about this video, man. Comment down below what car you guys want to see next as well. He wants to go. Hey. Yeah. What you want to hit the eye now? Want to hit the eye, then like just cut up on the eye for like 5 minutes and just end it at the gas station?
Yeah.
All right.
Bye. Have a great time.
Alright guys, we're about to hit the highway for you guys, and then we will be ending this video. So it's gonna be my first time in track. I'm gonna see what this does in track.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that?
Oh, he over there revving. Alright guys, get some highway action for you guys. sure, that's for sure. Yeah. I gotta wait for Lee to catch up, man. I just want to give you guys a quick video of me and Takeoff Lee. We probably about to end this video in like 5 minutes, man. So if you guys, like I said, if you guys got to the end, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate everybody, man. We're on the road to 500. Shout out to everybody who's been supporting me. On that bitch. Hey, you ready to end it? I think there's a gas station up there.
Yeah.
All right. Alright guys, that is the end of the video, man. Oh shit. Alright YouTube, that's the end of today's POV drive. Our special guest right there, Takeoff Lee. Y'all subscribe to this channel, man. And y'all see the whips in the back, man. Y'all comment down below which one's y'all favorite. And I'm gone.
Lately I've been distant, they saying I've been missing.